Hello, cold email enthusiast. Ready to take your cold email marketing to the next level with your custom inbox or custom SMTP provider? I'm Tanzil from Doplac.com, and today I'm going to show you how you can integrate your custom inbox provider to your Doplac.com account to start sending your cold email campaign. So without further delay, let's dive into the video. Click on account under outreach from the left menu after signing to your Doplac.com account, and this is the page where you can find all the account or all the SMTP provider or all the inbox provider that you have connected to your Doplac.com account earlier. So to add a new account or new inbox, just click on add more account, and as I'm going to connect my custom SMTP, so I'm going to choose custom SMTP, choose the name. I'm going to choose my name, provide your email address here. I'm going to provide my email address, then click on next, and here it is. You have to provide your email password, the email address actually you are going to connect it to your Doplac.com account. So here it is, my email address password. I have provided my email address password. Now I have to provide the IMAP host of my custom SMTP. It's totally depend on you and what SMTP you are actually connecting at this moment. You can search on Google about the SMTP name and search something like that to your SMTP name and what's the IMAP host of the SMTP. So I know what's my IMAP host, what's the IMAP host of my custom SMTP is. So I'm going to provide my IMAP host here. So here it is. This one is my IMAP host. The SMTP host same. Now it is the IMAP port is 993, SMTP port is 587. If you have any different SMTP, or when you are actually connecting your custom SMTP, I will suggest you to actually search in Google about your SMTP port or IMAP post, then you will get SMTP port. As my SMTP port is 993 and IMAP port is, or it's same default as it is, so I'm going to continue with that. And if you want to add any specific reply email, you can do it, but I'm not going to do it. So just say, click on save, and here it is, my account is connected. Look at that. Now you can find it here. If you want to edit any information the account you have connected, then you can click on just edit details. Now here it is, you can change your name, you can add a signature, you can use this signature at your email template, but you have to use the signature dynamic syntax to use this signature in your email template. So after adding your email signature, just click on save to save the signature. And if you want to delete the inbox provider, just click on delete. Now you have to write down delete here to delete the provider. It seems like a two-step verification to making it sure that you are not deleting any of your important information or any of your important things from Doplac.com, unfortunately. So we hope it will help to prevent any kind of unfortunate mistakes. So when you are done, now my account, my custom SMTP is connected. Now I can start sending my cold outreach campaign using the custom inbox provider or custom SMTP. And don't forget to check out all this feature from Doplac.com, because Doplac.com is completely free until June 1st, 2024. So take this opportunity and see how Doplac can help you to grow your agency. So it's all for today. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you have any question or any feedback, then leave them in the comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button for more informative video from Doplac.com. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.